Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on Aliexpress. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, log in into your Aliexpress. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and select the product that you wish to purchase. So I'm just going to select or pick up a random product. Let's go with this one. So I'm just going to select the following item for now. You can just go ahead and explore the product detail page. And while you're on that page, you can just go ahead and tap the buy now button, or you can simply add it to your cart. As soon as you click the buy now button, it's going to direct you to the place where you can order or where you can place an order. So as you can see in my case right over here, there is no such option as cash on delivery. You need to locate the items or the particular seller that has actually enabled cash on delivery. And for this particular product, there's no such option to cash on delivery. So all you need to do is just go through all of these and then click the place order button. As soon as you do that, you will be able to cash on delivery on Aliexpress. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.